Hey, Among Us Witch Crafty! To complete the main set of Among Us plushies, I finally made a little ghost crewmate, a new hat video sequel, and the pets video should be the only few follow-ups to this until I've almost turned this entire game into plushies. Here's a list of everything you'll need. The Minky I use is a 1.5 polyester Minky, and I buy my fabric in bulk from AliExpress. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt. It's the second link in the description. Make sure it's scaled to an A4 piece of paper to achieve the same sizing result as in the video. The first thing you need to do is sew up the dart on the front of the body. Then take both back body side pieces and place them with the tracing facing up and sew them along the top curve and the small tail point at the bottom, leaving the small bump. Place the front body and the back body pieces together and sew them only along the curved side, leaving the small curved edges at the bottom open still. Once done, take the bottom body piece and begin joining it on. It may look a little off in the video as I haven't properly scaled it when I was sewing it, but it should be fixed in the pattern file I've provided. When you've almost reached the end, flip it upright and stuff it. Close off the open end with an invisible stitch. Take the blue visor piece and sew up the darts on both ends. Place the white visor glint on the left hand side so it overlaps the dart a little and join it on using a running stitch. Pin the visor to the top centre of the front body and begin joining it on using an invisible stitch. When you've almost reached the end, stuff the visor and close off the remaining open end. Take the main oxygen tank piece and all four sides and begin joining them to the main tank piece, closing off each corner when you reach it. When all 4 corners are closed off, place the remaining main tank piece so all tracing is showing and begin joining it to the top of the tank. When you've almost reached the end, flip the tank upright and stuff it. Close off the gap with an invisible stitch. Lastly, pin the backpack above the ghost tail on the back of the body and use an invisible stitch to join it. And that is how you make an Among Us ghost plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!